Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about digital twins. Digital twins are a hot topic in the tech world right now, and for good reason. They have the potential to revolutionize the way we design, build, and operate products and systems. In this video, I'll give you a brief overview of what digital twins are, and then I'll talk about some of the ways they're being used today. I'll also discuss some of the challenges and limitations of digital twins, and I'll share some predictions about how they'll evolve in the future. So if you're interested in learning more about digital twins, then stick around. What is a digital twin? A digital twin is a virtual representation of a physical object or system. It's a data-rich model that's constantly updated with real-time information from the physical object. This allows us to monitor the physical object's performance, simulate different scenarios, and predict its future behavior. Digital twins can be used to represent a wide variety of physical objects and systems, including buildings, machines, vehicles, and even entire cities. They can be used to track the performance of these objects and systems over time, identify potential problems, and predict when maintenance is needed. Digital twins can also be used to simulate different operating conditions, such as different weather patterns or different traffic volumes. This can help us to optimize the performance of these objects and systems and to make better decisions about how to operate them. The benefits of using digital twins. Improved decision-making. Digital twins can help you make better decisions by simulating and predicting the behavior of physical objects or systems. Reduced costs. Digital twins can help you save money by eliminating the need for physical prototypes and testing. Increased efficiency. Digital twins can help you improve efficiency by optimizing the performance of physical objects or systems. Enhanced safety. Digital twins can help you improve safety by identifying potential hazards and risks. Improved compliance. Digital twins can help you comply with regulations by tracking and recording data. Digital twins are being used in a wide variety of industries, including manufacturing. Digital twins are being used to improve product design, optimize production processes, and predict maintenance needs. For example, BMW is using digital twins to design and test new car models before they're even built. This helps them to reduce the time and cost of product development. Healthcare. Digital twins are being used to train doctors and nurses, simulate surgical procedures, and develop new treatments. For example, the Mayo Clinic is using digital twins to train surgeons on how to perform complex procedures. This helps to improve patient safety and outcomes. Transportation. Digital twins are being used to improve traffic flow, optimize transportation networks, and develop self-driving cars. For example, the city of Singapore is using digital twins to simulate different traffic scenarios and to identify ways to improve traffic flow. This helps to reduce congestion and improve air quality. Energy. Digital twins are being used to improve power grid efficiency, optimize renewable energy generation, and develop new energy storage technologies. For example, the national grid in the UK is using digital twins to monitor the performance of its power grid and to identify potential problems. This helps to reduce outages and improve reliability. Challenges and limitations of digital twins. While digital twins offer a wealth of potential benefits, they also come with some challenges and limitations. One challenge is that digital twins can be very complex and expensive to create. Another challenge is that digital twins can be difficult to keep up to date with the real-world object or system. And finally, digital twins can only be as accurate as the data that they're based on. Despite these challenges, digital twins are a powerful technology with the potential to revolutionize the way we design, build, and operate products and systems. As the technology continues to mature, we can expect to see even more innovative and widespread applications of digital twins in the years to come. Thanks for watching. I hope you watched a little bit more about digital twins today. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Till next time.